Welcome back to the homestead, guys. Here today we are moving Ethel, one of the Hereford sow. We're gonna separate it. We have decided to do something special with her. So Alex and I just gonna get the cage in and then put it inside the pen. We have not fed this morning. Usually that takes up cut the time of loading about an hour. So here we go. No, break it. You break it. There we go. Here again? Nope. I'll have to shave it. Too much water this weekend.
That was a lot easier
Than usual.
The move was super smooth there.
So what we did was we talked to Alex this morning, let him know not to feed that pen.
Yeah, not to feed that pen.
So as you saw, all three got them except one. And the reason we're moving her here is because she's going to be our first official Hereford hog going to the processor, USDA.
Right. So she, we're going to go ahead and send her to the USDA processor, and we will have this meat available for sale at the farmer's market, at the store that well, I'm not sure about the store, but definitely at the farmer's market.
At the farm.
Yeah, on the farm. She heads in October, you said? October 22nd?
October 22nd is a date, on Monday.
So we have about 3 weeks where we're just going to finish her off a little bit. We think that she's pretty much where we want her, but we're just going to give her, you know, let her not fight over the food. Not that she really fights over it. She's the dominant one in that pen. She eats it all, but just let her finish off real well, and then we'll be taking her up for the processor. Yep.
She's in our register one that we got, our first one.
Mm-hmm.
We do have a replacement for her, which is registered.
Mm-hmm.
That will be put in our system probably in the next 4 or 5 months.
Yeah.
So.
That's right. We should probably clarify that. If you haven't seen some of our other videos, which I'll tag up on the screen when we talk about our Herefords, but when we originally started, we purchased her, and she was not, she wasn't registered. And Bertie and I decided that it was probably better to do registered Herefords.
That'll give us another side of the swine.
Yeah.
For those who are interested in registered.
Yeah.
Piglets.
Right.
Just it's another way of covering our bases on the pigs too. So they pay for themselves.
Yeah, so they pay for themselves. So because she's not registered, she doesn't fit with our breeding program right now. Everybody that we do have right now is registered. So she's going to go ahead and...
Well, except the piglets.
Right. She's going to go ahead and be sent to the processing plant. So yeah, we're excited.
So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hasta luego.